Hey, hi all. Good morning, good evening. So let's get started with Elastic Bytes episode 2. In the last episode, we discussed about term query and terms query and its usage. Today, we shall learn about the exist query. So let's open our Elastic Cloud Kibana terminal. Yeah. So exist query is a self-explanatory term. Exist. See, in the Elastic documents for a specific index. So we are going to discuss about the movies index. So exist query. For suppose what it tells is like this query helps us to check whether the field has a value or not in a specific document. For suppose, let's say we have movies index. So we need to check whether this field exists. How many documents that has post ID. For suppose we have 4,226, I believe. So let's see how many documents that doesn't have post ID. So for the case, what I did is like I took a random document. This is the random document here. What I'm trying to do is like I'm assigning post ID null. Okay. When we are assigning post ID column null and we are trying to update it. So now it got updated. Let's see. Let's see the total number of documents. 4,246. So how many documents that exist post ID? So we should get 4,245. Why? Because the one document, the above document, we updated with the post ID null. So that's the reason. In order to fetch, uh, let's say we have a scenario. Let's say post ID. Let's say how many documents that doesn't have post ID. So here we used to write a combinational query. So bool, we will discuss in coming section. Bool must not exist post ID. Bool must not exist field post ID. So here we will get the one document. This is all about the exist query. Hope you have an idea. Thank you. Thank you for listening and have a great day. Please share your comments and feedback in the comment section. Let's meet in episode 3. Have a great day. Bye. Thank you.
Hi all. Good morning, good evening. Welcome to Elastic Bytes episode 4. Earlier we learned about IDs query and prefix query. Hope you liked it. So today we shall discuss about the range query. So what is the range query and how we can use the range query with respect to Elasticsearch. So uh, we took salary dataset from Kaggle.com. So it's a open source where you can get the datasets, free datasets. So we can also contribute in order to provide them a data set. So I took the salary information, which is which where where we actually use the range query a lot. So let's search for let's see the schema of the document, how it will look. See, we have employee type, remote ratio, work, salary, etc. Few other few other properties. So let's say in real world scenario, your manager asked you to retrieve the documents whose salary is greater than or equal to 80,000 and less than or equal to 90,000. So he needs to retrieve the documents between 80,000 and 90,000. Okay. So this is the problem statement that your manager has given. So let's see how we can write, uh, let's see how we can convert it into an elastic query. So before going to that, we have different properties for the range query. GT, it is like greater than, LT less than, GTE greater than equal to L, LTE less than equal to. So we have another property called boost property, which is used for relevance scoring. So relevance scoring is like a big topic and we shall cover in coming episodes. Let's see how we can write the query. Query range, and we need to work on property called salary. So salaries are greater than or equal to 80,000 and less than or equal to 90,000. So for readability sake, let's use underscore source in order to retrieve only salary property. See, we have, let's see, total number of documents. We have 3,755 total documents. In that, we only have the documents who whose salary range between 80,000 to 90,000, between 80,000 and 90,000. Only total documents. See, 80,000, 90,000, 81,500. These are all documents between the range of 80,000 and 90,000 US dollars. Thank you very much. Hope you like this informative session. S- s- See you soon with the coming episodes. Please share your valuable feedback over the comment section so that it would be motivational for us in order to more and more this type of informative sessions. Thank you. Thank you one and all. Have a great rest of the day.